Day 1 of pier fishing until I catch a leopard shark. Hey guys, you heard it. We're pier fishing until we catch a leopard shark. I'm out here with Victoria. If you didn't know, she's my fiance, so give a comment, give a like if you like Victoria. I know I do. I'm marrying her later this year. So the idea on this trip was to throw out a sabiki rig, maybe catch some mackerel or smelts or anything, and throw it on a live bait rig on my other pole. So I noticed on the sabiki I was getting little bites, so I decided to reel it in, see what we got. I know it's definitely something, I just don't know what yet. And it turns out it's a little perch. So I bring it over, I save it, I put it in the bucket real quick because I'm going to put it on the live bait rig on my other pole, and hadn't even gotten a chance to even pull the line up through my other pole. I wanted to make sure I got the sabiki in the water as soon as possible, and I caught that perch pretty quick. So as soon as I got the line rigged up, threw it on the hook and tossed it out. And gosh, it was just a beautiful evening, guys. Look at that sunset. It was a perfect way to end the Sunday. So you'll see I'm casting out the sabiki rig again in just a second. I didn't get any other bites the rest of the night on either rod. I cast them out, reel them in, cast them out. I'm occasionally losing a little bit of shrimp, so I'll rebait the sabiki rig, but couldn't really get anything. I see people at the big end of the pier just to the left of me. They're pulling in tons of mackerel. I've yet to pull in a single mackerel on a sabiki, so let me know what I'm doing wrong, guys. I really want to pull in some mackerel. So you're gonna see me pulling up, checking, and just feeling both rods periodically, just hoping for the best, trying to get my bait out as far as possible. I may have had better luck from the end of the pier, not totally sure. You'll see right here I pull in an empty sabiki again. It's got all the bait shrimp, but no fish on it. Decided to throw in a glow stick, because you see everybody, all the pros at the end of the pier throwing out a glow stick, so I gotta follow suit, of course. And we throw that out as it's getting dark here, but still, no dice. Well, that about wraps us up, guys. It's always good to get out and fish, better than sitting on the couch anytime. Let me know what you would do differently here on the pier to catch a leopard shark. Drop a comment. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.